The software application I'll be discussing today is Canva. Canva is essentially a graphic design platform. So when you get to Canva, the first thing you're going to want to do is log in with your Google account or make an account on your own. Canva gives you lots of different things that you're able to design, such as presentations, infographics, posters, flyers, brochures, newsletters, graphs, logos, cards, and so much more. You can also have the ability to create a team on Canva, so you have multiple different people working on the same design at different times and different places. You can also share your designs with other people and they can share them with you. As you can see, I have made many different things on Canva, most of which I use Canva for is my Education 204 class. I do lots of my assignments on there because you have a lot of creative freedom when using Canva. There's also Canva Pro. However, the free version of Canva already gives you so many amazing features. So what I'll be discussing today is an infographic. Right off the bat, Canva gives you so many templates that you can use, whether you want it to be an education infographic, comparison infographic, used for data, information, process, timeline, whatever it is you want to do. So first you find a template that you like. I'm choosing to use this one, and you can use the bottom toolbar to zoom in and zoom out as much as you like to fit your screen how you want it. If you want to use exactly the template they give you for text, all you got to do is double click and change it to whatever you want to do. You also have the freedom to pick from any of these fonts, change the size, change the color, change the boldness, change its position. And if you don't want an element that's provided on the template, all you got to do is double click and either click delete or backspace. You can also have the ability to do undo and redo, which is very helpful if you're like me, making mistakes all the time. Next, you can use Canva's library for elements. So as you can see, there's so many different options you can choose from, and if you search, you can find just about anything you need. Like, say you need a pencil. Found a pencil right here, free to use. Drag and drop it into your infographic. And you can do things such as animate it. You can also have the ability to drag and drop stuff into your infographic, and you can even change the colors, which is a really great element because I like to make my stuff look nice and neat, and if something doesn't match, I don't want to use it. That's why most of my stuff is usually black and white. But using Canva, I have the freedom to be as creative as I want to. You can drag and drop anything, you can change sizes to how you want it. You can also delete stuff in its entirety if you don't want it at all. Canva also has the option, if you can't find what you're looking for in the Elements library, you can always go to Uploads and upload any of your own images or videos. This image right here, for instance, I actually edited in the image editing program within Canva. There's also a great feature known as the background remover where, for instance, if I only wanted the students in this photo and not the teacher, I could simply just edit her out all within the app. You can add any kind of text you want, heading, subheading, body text, with being able to change size, fonts, colors, and you can even use their free word system and use cool fonts like this. And by doing this, you can also have the freedom to change the colors. Once you get your design exactly as you want it, you have the ability to either share it with others, print it, or you can download it with the style of your choosing. They give you several different options like PNG, JPEG, PDFs in standard or print version. The Sharp Vector graphics are with the Pro version, but I've never needed to use them. MPV videos or even GIFs. So for this instance, I'm going to use the PDF standard version. Click download, and as you can see, it saves to my computer and I'm free to do what I want with it.